So hello everyone, this is Akash Prasad from Innovate Yourself. So I'm back with another video in the series of an augmented reality. In this video, I'm going to tell you how we can work on Vuforia course sample. So basically, I'm going to download a Vuforia course sample from an asset store, and after that, we're going to work on the image target and the 3D model which are already given in the Vuforia course sample. So for that, I just open my Unity Hub software and create a new project. And give a name Vuforia core sample. Okay, and just click on create. And now I'm going to import a Vuforia package. So for that, I just click on this asset, click on import package, and just click on custom packages. So you will see this is a Vuforia package which I have already downloaded from the Vuforia website. So you can also download this package from the Vuforia website. So I just click over it and just click on open to import. So you will see it's written here all assets from this package has already in your project, because I have already imported this package, so that's why it shows this message. Now what I'm going to do, I just switch my whole project into an Android. So for that, I just click on file, click on build setting and switch on Android. Now what I'm going to do, I just click on asset store, and here I am going to search for a Vuforia course sample. So I just click here Vuforia course samples. So as you see, this is a Vuforia course sample package. So I just click on Vuforia course sample package to import it. So you will see there is no import option. So I just click over it to import all the packages. Click on import. If you import this package from the first time, then first of all you will get a download option, and then you will get an option to import this package. Now if I just click on sample scene, inside this sample scene there is a folder with the name of scene. So I just open this. So among them I'm just going to open this cloud recognition scene. So I just double click over it. So this is a scene where we're going to work on. So if I click on cloud record target, you will see this is basically a marker, okay, where our object will going to place. If I open the cloud content manager, then you will see inside the cloud contact manager there are 4 contacts are available. These are basically a 4 3D models which are already in the core samples. So now I'm going to show you one by one. So I just click on contact 1. You will see this is a astronaut image. If I click on 2, this is a drone. The 3, a gas tank, and the 4 one is, see, this is a fuser steam. So you will see these are the game objects which are already given inside the Vuforia core sample. Not only the game object, the image targets are also given inside the Vuforia core sample. So for that, I just click on this editor. Again, just click on this Vuforia. Again, just click on this image target. Again, just click on this Vuforia mask. You will see this image is for astronaut. If I place this image in front of the scanner, then the astronaut 3D model has appeared over it. This image is for the drone. If I scan this image, then the drone 3D model has appeared. And the Fury, and this is the Fury image target. And here one more, this image target is for the oxygen game object. If you want to download this image, then there is one more section where you will get a PDF file of this. You will just click on editor, click on Vuforia, just click on 4 print, and here you will see, just click on image target. You will see this is the PDF file. Inside of this PDF file you will get all this game object. So these are the basically samples which are already provided in the Vuforia core samples. And now I am going to enter into the play mode to check the output. So for that, I just click on the play button. So as you see, first of all, a scanner will appear here. So this is a line which is going to scan the object first, and then the 3D model has appeared here. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to place a image target in front of this scanner. You will see this is an image target which I'm going to place, and now it's going to scan that object. You will see the astronaut image has appeared here, and with the astronaut image you also see the few information has also appeared here, like the name is astronaut, rating is 5, and the media data is what, target image is what. And now I'm going to change my image target. So I just change the image target. So you will see it now again start scanning, and this time the drone image has appeared here, and you again see the few information of this game object. And now again I'm going to change the image target. So as you see, so this is the fusion image target has appeared here, and you will see it's again start scanning. Our game object has appeared here. Now again I'm going to do it for the one more time. So I'm just going to change it, and this is the last image target which I have. So you will see, and now the oxygen cylinders has appeared here. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe our channel. So thank you.